you think about the swimsuit here? Swimsuit? Swimsuit? Back to another video, and today I'll be going to the beach. Right about now we're heading to the beach, so we're heading to evening beach because as you can see evening it's about what time now? I don't know what time. 3:44. So as you can see, I just have on a white t-shirt and my hat and my little, you know, that is all.
Full face of makeup? Yeah.
Not full
To the
face of
beach?
makeup.
To the beach?
I have on, I did my eyebrow and I have on my eyelashes.
To the beach.
Yes, Nina over there.
Those are gonna fall off.
So around. I don't makeup, I just eyebrow. Yeah, nothing wrong. Anyways guys, so we're walking to the main road right about now to get a taxi to go. So
and I'm not coming.
When we reach,
I'm getting ice cream.
Back.
I'm getting ice cream.
There's always gonna go buy ice cream, so it's only me and Nina. So when we get to the place, so this guy, I plan to go barber shop this time at evening. You should have left before me, because it don't take long to get ready.
Why are you not shaving?
Me if you shave Nina.
I will cut everything.
Me can't shave him, yes. But Nina not gonna allow me to do it.
Me wouldn't.
Ask me if you not allow me to do it.
I wouldn't.
You not allow me to do it, so I'm not do it. Watch out. See you later. So I'm a play shy guy, right? But right about now. Beach right now, and although me can't see Nino come. As I mentioned before, he went to the barber shop. So right now I'm sitting by myself on a beach. So I went to
Oi! Why you run so? Cause I want candy. How much your candy then?
I chill by myself, you know. So I got just get on candy. I candy themselves on a stick in a Negril town. So as I want to take some pictures of my swimsuit. So when Nina come, I'm going to show you what I have on and so forth. So it's like a beach day with me and Bay. Right now my head kinda, so I'm going to eat one slice of pizza right now. People, as I said before in the previous video, I launched my Instagram business on Instagram. I launched a little business, online business, and I sell bonnets. I have a few stuff coming soon. So I have some mink 3D mink lashes coming, very dramatic, coming out probably the next 3 to 4 weeks. They will be here because I ordered them already. So I'm just waiting on them to come. So as soon as they come, I'll be posting that on my Instagram page. Alright, so the Instagram page is Bougie Necessities. It's an all-rounder page. So I'm gonna sell a lot of stuff on here. So I wanna sell like lashes, some masks, masks. What else do I want to sell? I want to sell like some swimsuit, and these will be handmade, guys, because I want to, you know, see if I can design some swimsuit, you know. So those are the little stuff that I want to sell on it. So go over there, check out the page, and subscribe. And follow me. Let's get on candy. Candy themselves on a stick. Negril town. So people, as I said before in the previous video, I launched my Instagram business on Instagram. I launched a little business, online business, and I sell bonnets. I have a few stuff coming soon. So I have some mink 3D mink lashes coming, very dramatic coming out. Probably the next 3 to 4 weeks they will be here because I ordered them already. So I'm just waiting on them to come. So as soon as they come, I'll be posting that on my Instagram page. Alright, so the Instagram page is Bougie Necessities. It's an all-rounder page. So I'm gonna sell a lot of stuff on there. So I wanna sell like lashes, some masks, masks. What else do I want to sell? I want to sell like some swimsuit, and these will be handmade, guys, because I want to, see if I can design some swimsuit, So those are the little stuff that I want to sell on it. So go over there, check out the page, and subscribe and follow me. So people, Nina is here right about now. So you see you look fresh and all these things. What you going like in cute?
Right now.
Yeah. I'm editing my video and voicing over here. So guys, the audio for this part is a lot. I don't know what happened. I tell you the truth, I don't hear a thing. But Nina is here now. I was just chilling, eating pizza. So we're actually gonna eat the pizza and then we're gonna go into the water. Alright, so stay tuned.
Okay.
People take a look. We're in Negril. So we're on the 7 Miles Beach. And we're at Chances, to be exact. Up there, where you see the heap of people is Margaritaville. That's the big sign, the Chances Bar and Grill, Negril Jamaica. Swimsuit modeling. So that's my swimsuit, guys. So we're here chilling. Nasty. Anyways, we're going to the water now because I'm careful. Come or what? And there's people, let me show you the water. The water pretty and all these things. Woo! Can I come? We're back Nina up. People need no further water. He's a nasty boy. Nasty boy. Woo! Bump it! Come in there, go and chill. I'm here, I get wet up. Inches, all about it. Alright. So we are going to enjoy the water, so we are going further out. I should have spin the camera on the sun, you can see. I need no further water. So just So just the other day, people, we have a little swim out of we yard now, a little pool and me almost drown. So you can't imagine, I'm there in a big water now. Like, whole heap of water this drowning. Eh?
Coming soon. Alright.
People, what do you think about the swimsuit here? Swimsuit?
But I think they need to turn the camera thing some more. Think so, bro? Jesus Christ.
Jesus.
Come.
Have mercy, God.
Oh, yeah, turn this. This is 21?
No, that can't turn. So Nina must make me things wrap off in the water, but I need a selfie stick well good enough. Selfie stick well good enough, waterproof. I want a Samsung Galaxy waterproof.
This can turn.
Turning, just take time turning.
Watch on the highlights.
It's hard to turn, I don't know. Must have to with bombo. A papi pop off, Nina? A papi pop off?
No, I can't go on back. Alright people, so we mash up our
Let me see it.
Not my fault. China milk. Not my fault. Blame the
No,
Chinese.
but it did a good and just go pop
You
here.
take time
He said
turning.
take time
Wouldn't I take time
turning. He broke my selfie stick, guys. There is Ritz Cafe. All the way over there is an island. So people go on the island to eat food and there's stuff they do. Ah! What's the language if you ever hear me? Alright, you ready, babe? Woo! Ready?
Huh?
You ready? I hope I'm not upset with you to spoil me day. You mad? Ready?
Grabe, kaya mas sticky na. Come down.
Kami ka na?
Come down aisle.
So, like I said, I can enjoy myself a little bit, and then when we're gonna leave, I'll come back and show you guys. Anyways, me and myself back.
Alright, until next time.
Until next time, until the video for end. The video not end.
Until the end of the video.
Alright, I'm gonna put on it stick and come. Yeah, I want the 2 snap.
Go towards the sunset, bug. Yeah.
Alright, people, so we're heading home right now. So we just changed everything, so we're going right now. So, anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And of course, drop a comment in the comment section if you enjoy this little vlog, because it's not going to be long. Alright? Give me a thumbs up on this video. Tell me if you like to see more of these videos, of course. Nino, I'm going to say bye.
Oh.
Bye. See you in the next video, guys.